Hello friends, today let's solve the edit distance problem. This is a classic dynamic programming problem. Let's first see the statement. Given two words, word 1 and word 2, find the minimum number of operations required to convert word 1 to word 2. You have the following three operations permitted on a word. Insert a character, delete a character, replace a character. Let's first see the example 1. Input is the word 1 is house, word 2 is rose, and we output 3 because we first replace H with R, and then we remove the middle R, and then we remove E. So how do you think about this problem? This problem seems abstract if you first see it, but you can think about it. If we have to convert, we needed to convert read to high, the total number we need to convert word 1 to word 2 is based on if we convert read to H high. This is one possible conversion. We convert REA to high, which means we just need to add one operation, right? Because we insert D in the end. This is one possibility. Another is that the total number of convert read to H, because we just add one character in the end of H. So that will be the total number of convert read to H plus 1. And also, we can use replace. So it can be REA convert to H, and that will be the total number 2 plus 1. Because we just convert, replace this D to the I. So as you can see, we can get the total number of convert word 1 to word 2 based on the three operations plus 1. So in this case, we can use dynamic programming to solve this question because it had overlapping subproblems. Okay, so let's solve it. We will first get the length of the word 1, and then we get the length of the word 2. We use another 2D array DP, and it means that the editor distance convert the number of the characters. So that's the reason we plus 1, because when the word 1 is 0, if we need to convert word 1 to word 2, the number of the editor distance should be the length of the word 2, because we just insert characters. The same idea, if the word 2 is length of 0, the editor distance convert word 1 to word 2 is the length of the word 1. So that is the base case or the initialization. So let's do it. So when the I equal to 0, I less or equal than mi plus plus, we will first fill all the value in the DP array to the integer max value, because we want to get the minimum number of operations. So we initialize with the integer max value. But we need to change the DPI 0 to I. That means that when word 1 have the length of I, and the word 2 have the length of 0, the editor distance is I, because we just insert the characters. So the same idea, when the j equal to 0, j less or equal than nj plus plus, the dp 0 j means equal to j. That means the word 1 have the length of 0 and the word 2 have a length of j. So the total number of the operations is j. And then let's start from the very beginning. If I equal to 0, I less than ni plus plus, and for int j equal to 0, j less than nj plus plus. We will get the current two character. The first is word 1 char at I, and the C2 will be word 2 char at j. So if C1 equal to C2, then the total number of the operation, which is the edit distance, is the same with the previous one because we didn't do any operation. But if not the same, we know that we have 3 operations can choose. So we just choose the minimum one, like the dpi plus 1 j and the mass dot minimum dpi j plus 1. That will be dpi j and the plus 1. So what does that mean? dpi plus 1 j, that will be the editor distance to convert convert this one. The I is the same, right? But the j less than 1, we just insert one character at the end of word 2 to get this high. So that will be one insert operation, so we plus 1. So the same, dpij plus 1, that means we insert one character at the end of the word 1. So we also add 1. And the dpij, that means we do the replace operation. We also add 1. So we just pick the minimum to add 1. So finally, we just return m, and that will be the edit distance to convert word 1 to word 2. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.